Are you wondering what Christmas present you could get for your sister or maybe your friend? This gorgeous tote bag right here could be your answer. You can download the tote bag pattern for free on our website at qsatelier.com and make a Christmas present for your friend or your sister. A friend of mine saw me carrying this beautiful tote bag and she loved it so much she kept complimenting me. So with Christmas around the corner, it was a no-brainer for me to make one for her as a Christmas present. She also loves camouflage colors, hence I decided to make hers in a camouflage fabric. So let's go ahead and make her the beautiful tote bag together. Hi YouTube family and welcome to the channel. My name is Q. Please like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more pattern making and sewing videos. To make the tote bag, we are going to make use of this gorgeous camouflage fabric. We are also going to make use of this black polycotton fabric as our lining, and then we are going to add this interfacing onto the main fabric to give it more structure. As mentioned, we've already downloaded and also cut out our essential tote bag pattern. We are going to go ahead and cut out the patterns on the fabric. We are going to start by cutting the main bag and we cut it together with the interfacing. Next, we cut out the base of the bag. Again, we cut it together with the interfacing. We are cutting 2 pieces of the interfacing and also 2 pieces of the fabric. Next, we are cutting out the back straps. We are cutting out 2 pieces of the back straps and each one of them is cut out on fold. I would have wanted to cut out an interfacing for the back straps, but unfortunately I ran out of it, so the back straps are not going to have an interfacing. Lastly, we are cutting out the front pocket. Again, we are cutting 2 pieces of it. So these are the pieces for our tote bag. Next, we are going to go ahead and press the interfacing onto the fabric. We have pressed the interfacing together with the fabric, as you can see. We are then going to start working on the base of our bag, and we are going to snip off these notches right here at the center. Snip off. Next, we are going to place the base right sides facing each other like so, and then we are going to sew a straight line this side. This is the base after sewing it. Next, we are going to turn it over to the correct side. We are then going to press it so that it lies flat. And then next we are going to sew 2 decorative stitches this side and also this side. They are going to be 0.25 inches apart. Okay, so these are the 2 decorative stitches and also this side. Next, we are going to take the pocket for our bag. Okay, so this is the pattern. We are going to sew at the top a seam allowance of 0.5 of an inch like so. We make sure that the right sides are facing each other on the fabric. Next, we are going to turn over the fabric like so to the correct side, and we are going to press it and make sure it lies flat like this. And thereafter we are just going to sew a decorative stitch at the top, like here. Okay. This is our decorative stitch at the top. Next we're going to come to the back straps. Okay, we are going to fold them inwards towards the center, like so. And we are going to do the same thing on this other side, such that the two, they meet at the center, like that. And we are going to press everything right up to the end. We are going to do it on both the straps. After folding them to the center, we folded again and we pressed. Next, we are going to sew 2 decorative stitches at the edge, this side and also this side. We continue marking where we are going to be sewing the straps. We are done this side. We are going to do the same this other side. Next, we are going to get the pocket. Okay, we are going to place it where we have drawn a provision for it on top of the marked dots, like so. And we are going to pin it down. Next, we are going to get 1 strap for the bag, and we are going to place it on the dotted lines, like so. And we are going to transfer the end. We are going to pin it down as well. We do the same thing this side. We go ahead and do the same thing this side. We pin the strap like so. Next, we are going to sew on top of the decorative stitches this side, and also this side, and also on that other side. We have sewn the straps, as you can see, and we've also attached the pocket. This is the other side. Next, we are going to get the base of our bag. We are going to place it right at the center, like so. And then we are going to pin it. Next, we are going to sew on the decorative stitches again, this side and also on this other side. We have attached the base of our bag, and this is what it looks like. And this is the wrong side. Next, we are going to fold the bag like so, right sides facing each other, and we are going to sew a straight line like so. Next, we are going to trim the seam so that it's less bulky, especially at the bottom. We do the same thing this side. After trimming, next we are going to fold the bottom like so. And at the center where we marked the notch, we are going to make sure that the side seam is sitting there. We are going to pin the bottom like so. We are going to do the same thing even this side. Next, we are going to sew the base. So this is our bag at the bottom. Next, we are going to turn it over to the correct side. This is what it looks like. Next, we're going to work on our lining. We are going to get the main fabric pattern. Okay, it is also the lining pattern. We are going to fold it on this line right here as it is written, and also that side. Okay, so we are going to place the pattern just like so. Next, we are going to cut out the lining. We have cut the lining. This is what it looks like. Next, we are going to snip the center. So next, we are going to take our lining and fold it over, right sides facing each other. Next, we are going to sew the sides like so. Okay, we have sewn the side for our lining. We left this opening here. This is what we are going to use for turning over the bag to the correct side. So next, we are going to fold the bottom just like we did for the main fabric. We are going to pin it like so, and then we are going to sew it both this side, and we are also going to do the same on this other side. This is the base after sewing it. Next, we are going to put the bag inside the lining like so. Next, we are going to sew at the top like this. Okay, sew all around even on this side. So this is our bag. Next, we are going to take it out on the opening on the side like so. Next, we are going to come to the side and we are going to sew the opening closed like so. Next, we are going to sew with a straight line up to this point. This is where we have sewn. Next, we are going to push the lining on the inside of the bag like so. Next, we're going to press the top and make sure that it stays like so. And thereafter, we are going to sew the 2 decorative stitches at the top right around, and then we will finish up our bag, okay? Next, here is our bag. We are done making it. I'm sure you guys can agree this is a gorgeous Christmas present. If you want the full sew along tutorial for making this bag, you can check this video. You can download the PDF pattern on our website at qsatelier.com, or you can make it a Christmas present for a friend of yours or a family member. It's totally up to you. Make sure you give the video a big thumbs up and also leave us a comment down below. If you enjoy sewing content and pattern making content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, Merry Christmas to you guys and your families. Enjoy the holidays, and remember, God is our strength. Bye bye.